So hi guys, to make the wig I got the Remy weave from Darling. I think it was around 750. It comes in 16, 18 and 20 inches. So usually I bought it from Best Lady, actually, the one along, I can't remember, but any Best Lady. So instead of sewing it like in one, you have to put the two strands together. It will give it more weight, or I like doing it that way. So you can either sew it together, unaweza zishona pamoja when they're still like this, and then tena ushone kwa wig cap, or you can decide to just go straight away kama umechoka kama mimi, or you're lazy. So mi ndo nilifanya. Make sure you have some pins so that you can secure the wig into this mannequin. Make sure you buy a mannequin that actually can allow needles inside. I can't remember the price, but there are so many in Dubois actually, but sikumbuki. Hii sindano na uzi ilikuwa 350, sindano I think it was like 100 or 150, nilipata huko bado Dubois. So you need to make sure that you go through it round and round, as you can see the way I'm doing it. So you can either mark if you want, or you can just use your eyes and you just go round and round and round until you get into a such point. So when you get into this point, you have to go straight until you get into the wig cap. You'll realize that you'll have some space. So hapa, what you do is that when you're doing this part, you need to make sure like you are in front of the mannequin, not behind, so that you sew it in that direction so that you can bring it back. So here you can see how the wig looks like from inside. And then I also decided to put this pin to secure it when I'm actually putting it on. You can see because of this, whatever I was telling you to sew the mannequin from the front, there is no now that space between the headband and your wig. So this is me. I had styled it into two ponytails today because I decided to wear it. So I styled it into two So this is how I generally wore it today. I will, if you're interested in this design, maybe I'll show it in my next video. Share, like, enjoy.